Thanksgiving. Pilgrim. Eating turkey. Cooking. Milk. Flour and...
The holidays are about family and what we're thankful for and that we're all blessed.
My grandpa and grandma. My mom.
We'll have turkey and cornbread dressing. We will have mashed potatoes, green beans, corn, cranberry sauce, rolls, and gravy. Pumpkin, buttermilk, pecan, and then I'll make chocolate pies on Sunday. I do get up at 1 o'clock on Monday morning beforehand and put the turkey and everything in the oven. So it's a very early day for me. I love incorporating all those cooking skills. There's such great math and language that the kids can do and learn those practical skills.
Washing potatoes.
I know as a parent myself, sometimes you don't let your children smell all of the spices and taste all the things when you're cooking because as parents we're very busy at home and we're doing the things and sometimes we feel like our kiddos do get in the way. I'm guilty of that. But in the classroom, I want to bring that to them so that they can use their senses because at this age they use all 5 senses in their learning aspects and it just helps them to get a better grasp on that.
I taste the buttermilk and the flour. It's so sour. Buttermilk, not good.
Our children do learn through their senses, and especially if we have one that has hearing impairments or visual impairments, their other senses will pick up those that are not quite as strong. The parents love coming in. They enjoy seeing what the kids have done. They will get to tell their moms and dads, oh, I helped do this or I helped do that. So there'll be lots of language going on with their parents. The afternoon, they'll do the same thing. They'll say, oh, well, we got to do this or we got to do that, and this is how you do that. It's very rewarding when I get to see the children's smiles and their families.